Kumusta?
Mm.
Mahal kita.
Mahal kita.
Kumain ka na.
Kumain ka na.
Namimiss kita.
Namimiss kita.
Hinahanap-hanap kita.
Hinahanap-hanap kita.
Kumain ka na. Kumain ka na.
Already. Other. Oh,
Sa akin ka lang.
sa akin ka lang. What else? What
넌 내
else?
거야.
What?
넌 내 거야. You're mine. You're mine. You're mine.
Sa akin ka lang. Tapos
Sa akin ka
na.
lang.
It's done.
넌 내 거야.
Patawad.
patawad. And iniisip kita.
Iniisip kita.
Iniisip kita.
And what else? Yayakapin kita.
And what?
Yayakapin kita.
Ingat ka.
Ingat ka. Yayakapin
Ingat ka.
kita. If Miss Kylie ba? Itan.
야약하핀 기타? 야약하핀 기타? 약하핀 기타. before. 잠깐만. 뭐였더라? nasasaktan ako.
Nasasaktan ako. Oh.
ang sarap.
Who teach you ang sarap?
ang sarap. You say. ang sarap. Yummy.
I didn't say this one to you.
You teach me. you know. Maybe buboy.
Boboy teach you.
Buboy say ang sarap. So yummy. That's right, bro. ang sarap. Cheskay buboy.
Okay. Ang sarap. Wait. Others.
halika
No,
dito,
so-
yakapin kita.
Oh, halika dito. Yayakapin kita. Meron pa others. There's others more. You didn't list down?
Huh?
You didn't write down?
I just like. And my
Nagsisilos ako. Napapangiti mo ako.
Oh yeah. We
Napapangiti mo na
before.
ako.
We already this. Napapaninti mo ako.
Okay. Nasasaktan ako. Okay.
Napapaninti mo ako.
Okay. Ikaw aking pahinga.
Alagaan kita.
Okay.
So many.
Yeah, so many. But this one ba is good. If you see Kylie very tired face.
Yeah. halika dito, yakapin kita.
Oh, Gucci.
Yeah.
Why you forget that one? I didn't see your screenshot. You say that. You have to say to Kylie.
No. I say before.
So that
I say before.
Kylie feel energy. Because Kylie always very tired.
before, yeah.
Intro work.
I say just yakapin kita like this. Yakapin kita.
Every day you can tell to Kylie that one every day when you see Kylie.
Huh?
Every day Kinsana you say that one to Kylie.
I but just if say just Kylie, I'm very tired like that. Just I say just yakapin kita like this, but just kumusta ka like that, then Kylie say just I'm good like that. How can just yakapin kita? How can say?
Okay. I give you.
How can say?
Okay. Kylie will say I'm good, but you will tell to her. Oh, you look so tired. Halika dito, yayakapin kita.
Looks not tired. Maganda ka.
Kasi Kylie always pretty.
maganda ka, yeah. So looks not tired.
But you don't know Kylie always tired inside.
Yeah.
So you have to tell Kylie.
But just face is not tired. How can just say, oh, you look tired? How can say just? How can say? Looks not tired.
Okay, other.
Yeah. Yeah, look
Okay.
tired.
Okay, your point. Okay, today is your point. Okay. I will agree. I will agree. How many gloves you get?
Don't know.
Wait. I'm thinking, wait. Guys, ano nga yun, guys? Ituturo ko sana sa kanya. Yung music sa yung music because I'm thinking Tagalog. Oh.
Ding 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 ding. Chong, thank you.
Ethan, can we change? We learn other thing. Pick up line. Kenso na?
Huh?
Pick up line.
Pick up line?
Oh, kenso na?
What is pick up line?
Like you wanna say something, like for example, Tagalog. This is Tagalog, okay? Okay. For example, Ethan, are you coins? And then you will say, why?
Are you coins?
Oh, coins. Piso.
What is coins?
Piso. Coins. Say example only.
But example, I don't understand. Just example, yeah.
Oh, I just say like this.
Coin.
Ethan, are you coins? And then you will tell me why.
I know. I always say just keep
Why?
you.
No. You say to me why. Always answer why. Okay? Ang gifted to you. You will answer to me why.
Keep you.
Ah, 진짜. Pali ba? Serious ba? Why? You will say to me why.
Why?
Because early in the morning, I need you. Like that.
Are you in the what? What? Are you? What? Are you in the morning? What?
Guys, kapoy man. Wait, check ka man. Kapoy.
Are you what?
Kapoy man. Wait, guys, wait.
One more say.
Because start in the morning. Tito, yung English tani, guys. Start in the morning, I already need you.
Just like when I woke up there, just I need you right there.
Oh, start in the morning, I need you, okay?
Okay.
That's pick up line.
That's why. That's why.
But you will say to this to Kylie Tagalog, okay?
I'll go.
What?
Titi, I need in the morning.
Okay. You have to tell to you have to budol ka. You budol me?
Huh?
You budol me?
Everyone say just.
Okay.
Everyone.
You have to tell to Miss Kylie this one. Kylie, asawa ko.
Come go.
Barya ka ba?
Pareha ka pa.
Tapos Kylie will say, why? Bakit?
Pareha ka pa. Just.
Coin.
Go.
English is coins. One, 2, 1 coins. 진짜 왜 그래?
Yeah. Coins to one coin. The Y just Y coin say just.
Like this coins ba? 왜 그래?
Yeah. I understand coin.
That's barya, mean. Okay?
Coin is TTU. Why that TTU? Why say TTU?
No, hindi. No, hindi. Not titiyo, hindi. Okay. You will say to Miss Kylie, asawa ko, barya ka ba?
Pareha ka pa. So that's what means. Just pareha ka pa. Para.
Are you a coin?
Like why say are you coin? That's mean just are you
Pick up line! 진짜. Pick up line. I told you this is pick up line.
너는 동전? You coin? You TTU 주세요.
Okay, you can joke to Miss Kylie. Miss Kylie, titiyo ka ba?
TTU ka ba?
You can tell to Miss Kylie. Miss Kylie, asawa ko, titiyo ka ba?
TTU ka ba?
No,
what
bakit?
I don't understand.
Oh, Kylie will say why? Bakit? Then you will say, because you're my TikTok world. Charis.
Just like this.
Yeah, pick up line. That's pick up line.
Yeah, pick up line like this. Just just before we say it, right? Before we say just what they say just 여보세요 without 세요 like this same this pick up line.
What yubo sa'yo? Yubo?
Everyone say people just 여보세요 without yes okay,
Something
okay,
like you flirt ba?
floating.
Oh,
Pick up
okay,
line is
okay.
floating.
Okay,
So
okay.
are you coy? So are you coy?
Okay, change that. Titiyo. Now,
I
Titiyo,
then.
change it. Change.
Okay.
Titiyo.
Are you TTU like this? Are you
Oh.
TTU?
Asawa ko.
Asawa ko.
Titiyo ka ba?
TTU 까봐? 얼류가 까봐야 까봐. TTU 까봐.
Titiyo ka ba?
까봐.
Oh,
TTU
ka ba?
까봐.
Oh, titiyo ka ba? Question mark.
TTU 까봐.
Okay, Miss Kylie will say, why? Bakit? Oh.
The boss say yes, then how can?
No, not yes.
Just say yes, then how can?
No, not yes.
Not yes. That's why.
Kylie will say, bakit? Why? Wayo. Kylie will answer, way.
Oh yeah,
Okay?
why? So then.
Okay. And then you will answer, kasi ikaw yung TikTok universe ko.
What? Huh?
Kasi, okay. Kasi ikaw
Kasi ka? Ang
TikTok universe ko.
TikTok universe ko.
Okay.
Kasi ikaw ang TikTok universe ko.
Okay, kotse.
Ah,
Sample
ate.
ba? Sample. Mimi, Timo. Okay. Sample he.
You're not Kyle.
Timo. 진짜. 알았어. Timo.
Holy shit!
Where is that?
What the?
Okay, Timo. Pali.
Okay. TTU ka ba? Asawa ko. TTU ka ba?
Why? Bakit?
Kasi ikaw ang TikTok universe ko.
Oh, kotse. Okay.
Kasi ikaw ang TikTok universe ko ka. Just, you're my TikTok universe.
Oh, you're my TikTok universe.
Okay, understand. Okay.
Okay. Only one pickup line. That's okay?
Very hard. Very hard, yeah.
Very hurt.
Okay.
Kapoy, very tired. No, very hurt.
Tomorrow, okay.
Okay. 안녕하세요. Fighting eh.
Have a good day.
Fighting.
Asawa ka. TTU ka na? 까봐. TTU 까봐? TTU 까봐? Why? Kasi ikaw ang TikTok universe ko, TikTok universe ko. Why so low? Oh.